Security system motion detector, ensuring true life image quality coverage for the security of your house. Intruder Alarm System. It offers complete security for your home from intruders by ringing an alarm whenever any door window is opened in your absence. Theft alarm. This security kit comes with an alarm system that helps you safeguard your valuables when you aren't around. Smoke detection system. It also offers security against fire and smoke, as it instantly notifies you if smoke is detected. Complete house protection. Gas detection system. Security against gas leaks. In case of a leak, get instantly notified by a loud alarm and through a notification on the Qubo app on your phone. Single app for complete home. Get the complete security for house at your fingertips. Lets you control all your Qubo devices through one simple and easy-to-use dashboard. Intelligent alerts with phone call follow-up. Get alerted via phone call in the event of critical security or safety breaches.